Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. Wow, I look like shit, but hi guys, it's Saturday and I'm off today and I'm gonna be vlogging today. I just woke up this morning extremely grateful for everything that I have, extremely grateful for my life. Mostly I'm happy because I'm off today and I'm barely off on a Saturday. Ooh. I'm actually watching my YouTube video. But guys, I just haven't vlogged in a while, so I wanted to vlog today. I literally just woke up. Not really, I woke up at 8:30. It's currently 9:20. I've just been chilling like a Billy. I got a sofa in my makeup room. My friend came over last night and helped me assemble it, and I've just been loving my beauty room so far. And I am probably gonna do a tour because I'm just very happy with it. I did get a haircut. As you can tell, my hair is no longer that long anymore, and honestly I love it because it just feels so much healthier, and I'm excited for it to grow back healthier. And yeah, I'm talking a lot, but a lot of things planned for today. Right now I'm just gonna get myself together and I'm gonna go get my nails done because look at that mess. Yeah, do you see that gap? That gap is wider than, I don't know. Yeah, so I'm actually gonna get a pedicure today too, so I'm excited. I'm not excited, however, to be sitting at the salon for hours, which is why I want to get going now. It's 9:21. The salon opens at 9:30, so I want to head out in like 10 minutes. Yeah, so I'm about to go. I'm just gonna put some moisturizer on, some chapstick on, some pantalones on, and I'll be on my way.
TSA pre-check. For more details and to apply, ask your agent or visit UnitedExplorerCard.com.
So I'm going to Seattle next week, and I was trying to check into my flight, but for some reason United Airlines made my first name NADIAIMAN, and Iman is my middle name, so I want to fix that before I go because I don't want there to be any issue. But yeah, anyways, I'm on hold with them now. I'm eating some Chobani yogurt because I'm pretty hungry and I don't have food at home, and some peanuts with some green tea. Pretty healthy breakfast slash lunch. I'm actually probably gonna go eat something heavy at night, which is why I wanted to not eat that much right now. I got my nails done. Right now, after I'm done talking to United Airlines, I just wanted to organize my room a little bit. I did laundry the other day and I wanted to finish organizing my clothes, which I'm gonna try to film. Then I'm gonna shower and get ready for my mini trip. I'll see you guys in the next clip. The best Chobani yogurt is the Greek yogurt with pineapple because it has like little pineapple chunks on the bottom. It's so good. Hey guys, it's really dark in my room right now because it just got really gloomy and dark. But I did a lot of cleaning. I organized a lot of my clothes and I'm really tired. So now I'm just gonna shower. I just wanted to show you guys my couch. It looks not really good right now because I don't know what to do with this throw. So I love this couch so much. Disregard that. But I have this couch in my beauty room, and then right here is just a stand. I'm gonna put my TV right there, and I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. And this is just like, I love my beauty room. It's like my little room. Obviously I have to clean. I just filmed a video, but I'm just very happy about my little sofa. So after I film videos, I can like chill, watch movies, and I'm very happy. My outfit is so cute. I'm in this dingy white t-shirt, leggings, and a flip-flop. In my room, but I'm about to shower and get ready, pack, and I'll see you guys. Alright, I'm gonna sit down and do my makeup now. Let's get this started. Wow, the lighting is like brilliant right now. My hair is soaking wet and I forgot to bring my towel. Nice job. I have my work blazer here. I'm just gonna let my hair soak and I'm just gonna get my makeup started. Moisturizing the face as usual. Look at this flower, guys. It's so pretty. It's like an LED flower lamp. You just turn it on and off You can't tell right now because it's bright in my room, but right now it is off. And yeah, I'm gonna do something really light today. I don't like wearing mascara, guys, because it's so hard to take off. Someone asked me why I never wear mascara. The reason why is because it's literally so messy to take off, and I'd rather just not deal with it. You know what? I'm not gonna film me doing my makeup. You know what? I will. This is literally all I wanted to wear, just foundation, lipstick, and tinted eyebrows a little bit. So yeah, all right, I am ready. Wow, it really is golden hour right now, but I just did a little blush and I just put on my outfit. My outfit is really comfortable. I didn't want to wear anything too crazy. I don't know if you can see it because it's pretty dark in my room, but I'm just wearing these Fashion Nova jeans with this sweater from Express, and literally that's it. And I'm probably just gonna wear my white Converse. Ooh. My hair is a hot mess. I literally didn't do anything to my hair and it's a hot mess, but it's okay. Kind of like it like this. I'm really glad that I cut my hair because it feels so much healthier, and I really needed the highlights that I did almost a year ago really damaged my hair, so I just did not want to part with it, but I knew that it was the only option, so I did it, and I'm really happy. I think it makes me look older too. Look at this view. So pretty. Wow. Good morning. This hotel is so pretty. It's gorgeous. Yeah, boy. Vlog because there's no one that's gonna watch me. Morning. It's like 9 a.m. on Sunday and it feels like Manhattan is so empty because we don't see anyone, but we're about to get brunch because why not? Little Italy is so cute. I think we passed Little Italy though. guys. So I'm about to check out of the hotel. We just had food. I'm not sure if we're gonna do anything else today. I'm actually really tired and I work tomorrow early morning and I have some work to do at home, so we'll see what goes on. Yeah.
Those are better than the old ones?
Yeah, the first three barely mention the intricacies of
The best coffee in the world. Woo-hoo. Cheers. Hey guys, I just got home. I am freaking exhausted. For some reason my stomach is hurting. I don't feel that great. I don't know if it's something that we ate. I don't know, but I just got home. It is about 3 p.m. I'm actually really tired. I'm just gonna take a shower, get my things ready for work, kind of plan my week. And yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. It was a fun little weekend getaway. I just wanted to vent over a topic. Oh, it's kind of blurry. It just really is unacceptable how people just assume that once a girl is in a relationship and she starts going on vacations and eating out and doing fun things with her significant other, that she's leeching off his money. I will always be my own sugar daddy. I don't need no man to pay for me, to bring me places. I'm the type of person where I would rather give than receive. If you know me, you know that I'm a giving person. I give more than I take. And I hate taking things for people. I hate when people pay for me. When I'm on a date, I hate it. I hate receiving expensive gifts. It's nice, don't get me wrong, but I don't like it if I'm not doing the same thing back. It should always be the same energy. There should also always be some type of reciprocation in a relationship. Get this right, I am my own sugar daddy. I do not need anyone or anything to make me happy. I satisfy myself and I pay for the things that I want. As simple as that. Anyways guys, I don't know, I just really had to vent about that. But yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell to be notified for whenever I post. I will see you guys in my next video, and yeah, thank you.